I thought I knew everything about flagship phones, until I picked up the OnePlus 15R. It has AI features that can genuinely change the way that you use your phone. Today I'll show you 5 most powerful ones that I use every single day. And you'll see that they aren't just convenient, they actually save time and turn your phone into a smart assistant, and not just a calling device. The first feature is Mindspace. This isn't just notes, it's a feature that allows you to save memories, screenshots, photos, voice notes, all in just one gesture. Tap the plus key or swipe up with 3 fingers to add the screen as a memory, or hold the key to add a voice note. Everything is simple and intuitive. Why is this useful? Well, everything is automatically summarized and categorized. So for example, you add a recipe, a screenshot from a work project, and a voice idea. They go into categories like cooking, work, and ideas. It's intelligently organized, so you never have to search for where you saved it. What about privacy? Well, everything is processed in a secure environment, so all of the memories stay with you without cloud backup, unless you want it. I save screenshots of important chats, voice reminders with ideas, links, and recipes, so when I need something, I just open the Mindspace app and instantly find exactly what I need. It really saves minutes every day. The next feature is the AI Writer. It opens directly from the keyboard or the text editing menu. With it, you can create text, diagrams, social media captions, and even maps of ideas and relationships. Why is it useful? Well, for example, let's say you want to create a quick social media post, a presentation, a resume, or a project plan. All you need to do is just type in a few keywords and AI Writer generates coherent text that you can use immediately. I use AI Writer for YouTube video descriptions. I used to spend an hour writing them, now it takes a few minutes, and the text looks natural without a template-like marketing tone. Even better, it can generate post ideas, write scripts, or draft business correspondence. It's like a personal assistant that thinks along with you. The third feature is AI Translation. It translates not only text, but also speech with adjustable settings. You can select the voice, playback speed, and even download language packs for offline use. What is this useful for? Travel, communicating with foreign colleagues, or even learning languages. All of this becomes much easier. You only need to copy text into separate translators or open other apps. I was chatting with partners from another country recently, and the phone instantly translated messages. And voice translation allowed real-time conversation, so it saves a lot of time and eliminates awkward pauses. The fourth feature is voice transcription. You can take audio recordings, files from your gallery, or lecture recordings, and the OnePlus 15R instantly converts them into text. Why is this useful? Let's say, for example, you recorded a lecture, a meeting, or an interview. There's now no need to type it out manually. It's already ready to use. I use this to convert work notes and ideas into text documents, then immediately move them into a planner or a presentation. It saves hours and makes work much more productive. Now for the fifth feature, Google AI Search. Draw a circle around an object on the screen and instantly search it through Google. Just circle text, an image, or a logo and get information immediately. The Google Digital Assistant is integrated directly into the system. You can ask questions, run commands, perform calculations, open apps, and it just really extends the phone's functionality, making it a versatile tool. I circled the company logo on the screenshot and immediately got the website and contact information. Things that used to take minutes now take only seconds. Each of these features are powerful on their own, but together they make the phone almost like a personal assistant. Mindspace for ideas, AI Writer for text, real-time translation, voice transcription, and instant search, all in one device. The OnePlus 15R with these AI features truly changes how you work, study, and manage daily life. Every task is now simpler, faster, and smarter. It's not just a phone, it's a smart assistant that saves your time and makes your life easier.